Hi everyone, this is Mohammed Aslan and I would like to give a demo of a latest ERP application that I have developed for one of my clients. When I just changed the name of the client to keep the identity secret of of my original client. Okay, so the client that I'm working for right now is a reseller of calling cards, like the world calling cards that you have where you make ISD calls and all. So he has that business and he sells various calling cards to various customers. So fine, so as you can see, this application, this is entirely built up in Excel, which has a very simple and a basic design. And if you see, you don't have any Excel tabs, sheet names. It's just to give a niche look to the application. Fine. So everything that you see here, the data that you see here actually is not contained in Excel, but it actually comes out from the access file. So you have this access file here, the mdb file, which serves as a database for that. Fine, so let's see how it works and what are the features of this application. Fine, so my client has few customers to whom he sells calling cards regularly. So he clicks on display customers to see a list of customers he has, and when he wants to add a new customer, he can add a new customer by clicking on add new customer, say add, and okay. To check whether it's been added, click display customer and you have your new customer. Right, so and he sells many calling cards. So he clicks on accounts, which is actually a calling card like Vodafone card, Ramzan. Actually he stays in Dubai, so these are the names. So if you want to add another new calling card, then you can just say add new account and then you add it. And then each customer is offered a calling card at a fixed price. So you have a list like a menu in the hotel. So if you want to update this price list anytime, then you can make the changes. You just have to change a number and click update price list. So the application asks you whether the ID 101 you want to replace it with 2, and you say yes, and it gets updated to display. To just do a double check, click on display price list and you must get the same number. Fine, so if you're wondering like what is this, then you just delete this and you click on display price list. Actually what it does, it goes to the access file and it pulls the information and puts it here. Right, so this is about maintaining the settings of this application. And then on a daily basis, when you want to make a sale, then you hit on sales, a nice user form comes up and it gives you the date automatically, and then you can choose a customer. So when you choose a customer, all the default accounts that are linked to the customer pops up. Like for Arsalan, there is only one account. If you click another account, then there is only one, and then like Josefa, then you see he has two accounts which have the name in the price list. Click on side, he has four. Let's hit Rahman and let's see all his accounts. So let me check on any account that I have, and then when you set the account, the value automatically comes up, and then I give identification number and then the recharge amount, let's say 500, and when I hit tab, it automatically calculates the value multiplied by recharge, and then I need to just enter the payment. Like suppose he has made a payment of 800, so I say submit and entry gets added. So this is how I generate sales, and at the end of the day or at any moment I want to know the details. Then I have three options to generate the reports. One is a financial snapshot, which gives me how much a particular customer is spending on a particular day, on the current day. And if I want to have a report by date, then I have to give the report dates. The standard date like 1st Jan, end date might be like 5th of Feb. I say generate and the details get generated. So you can see all the details get generated. And then you have the option by saying show all. so it will show you the entire data